We're talking about that historic interest rate rise by the Federal Reserve. Markets from Asia to Europe surged on Thursday after the first rise in nearly a decade. But one question being asked, what will the rise do to the stars of Silicon Valley? The value of firms like Facebook and Google soared under record low interest rates. So what will this sea change mean for the next generation of startups trying to grow? CCTV's Mark New spoke to some of them.
At the Boost Accelerator in Silicon Valley, young entrepreneurs work on the latest technologies. ZapChain is the first community platform where instead of just liking posts, members give tiny amounts of money to show their approval. But like most startups around here, interest rates barely register.
We're a new startup, and I think from our perspective, we're either going to succeed or we're going to not, right? And interest rates are not going to play any type of role in that.
As a venture investor, I'd say I have a lot of things to worry about every day. Interest rates, I worry more about AI robots than interest rates. And I think right now, because the economy is doing so well, everyone's staring at the impending doom, and they want to be able to point at something that might bring the economy down, or this bubble that everyone's talking about.
The Boost Startup Accelerator program is part of an ecosystem that just upstairs also includes Hero City, a place for startups and entrepreneurs to work, learn, and build connections. Corbin Pon is the chief operating officer of Fold, a mobile app that allows consumers to use Bitcoin at physical stores.
I don't see interest rates really affecting consumer behavior in the short term or even the long term at the little level of jump that we're going to see.
But some economists warn that rising interest rates could lead investors to seek out more predictable returns, like fixed income or dividend-paying stocks. Some companies like Uber, Snapchat, and Airbnb all earn billion-dollar valuations in what some call a market filled with free money. Young startups have yet to deal with fluctuating borrowing costs.
Put your IP.
But someone who experienced the tech bubble burst and the negative impact of rising rates firsthand is the man at the center of the Hero City startup ecosystem, venture capitalist Tim Draper. A major investor in tech and a teacher of entrepreneurship, Draper isn't too worried about interest rate hikes, though he does warn it's something you have to experience in order to fully understand how to deal with it in the future. Mark New, CCTV, San Mateo, California.